Introducing the 2026 Gulfstream Ameri-Lite Super Lite 15th trailer. The Ultra-Lite and Super Lite trailers from Trailmaster Lite offer exceptional value with innovative floor plans ranging from 14 to 27 feet long. Ideal for families on a budget, these travel trailers boast high-quality construction and compact designs. Features include high-performance vinyl flooring, craft-made cabinetry, easy-care wall vinyl, laminated countertops, and more. Whether you choose an ultra-light or a super light model, you can count on top-notch construction and comfortable accommodations designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Visit Darren Bideaux RV in West Haven, Utah to explore our selection of Trailmaster Lite travel trailers today. Experience quality craftsmanship and well-thought-out floor plans that cater to your outdoor adventures. Upgrade your camping experience with the 2026 Gulfstream Ameri-Lite Super Lite 15th trailer at Darren Bideaux RV. Be sure to check out other deals on rvhubusa.com, link in the description.